Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add custom fonts to Krita. So if you would like to do it, first you need to go to a link that I included in the description of this video. There you can find really useful fonts. You need to download them. So in this tutorial, for example, I downloaded Moldly Cheese font with zip extension. So we need to open it, and then we need to open TFT file. So I click double time on it. We will see this one window. If you would like to install this font, you need to click install button, and after a moment your font should be successfully installed. Now we need to close this window and we need to open Krita. After that we need to create a new file, so I go to file, then I go to new, I type here image size and I click create button. Then we need to go to text tool, and after that we need to draw here a simple rectangle. And here we need to click on the arrow on the right side of the font. We will see the list with available fonts, so we need to find here a font that we have already installed. How you see, I have here Moldly Cheese on the list, so I select this one font, and now I can type the text that I want to use. For example, simple text. Then I click save button and I click close. After that, text will be successfully added to my project with custom font that I have already installed. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's software problem.